Tim Bridges at Lloyd Bridges Travelland. Today we're going over a 24 BHS Nortrail. Some of the nice features on this unit on the outside are the outside kitchen. It does come with the stove top, your fridge, also your sink. They also do 2-inch thick compartment doors with slam latches. They also do fully enclosed outside storage compartment. So you're going to get laminated floors and ceilings and no wood exposed at all inside the compartment. It's actually wrapped with insulation, so it will keep your stuff at like 50 or 60 degrees at all times. Also, they do a big grab handle. They do full LED lighting inside the awning tube. It is 15 different colors. You can use it with the remote control. They also do a 2-inch thick sidewall with fiberglass exterior. Also comes with these MORryde steps that you can lift up and down. So when you're not using them, it goes inside the doorway. And when you're ready to go camping, you can put it back down and go camping. Let's take a look inside the unit. As we step inside, a lot of other units, you'll see them using 1-inch thick ceilings. This coach in Nortrail uses 4 inches thick. If you go in any other unit in the industry and do this, your hand's going right through that ceiling. They also do a nice access to the whole unit while the slide is all the way ran inside. So as you run the slide in, you take this dinette table out, you can actually walk to the bedroom, the kitchen, access the bathroom. You can use the bunks easily. They also have a real nice countertop space here for cooking, prepping. 2 dual sinks with a stainless steel sprayer. Also the real nice LED lights, you can see this at night. They do the oversized fridge and freezer separately. They also do their slide out motor inside the unit here. So if it did ever fail, not saying it would, but if it did, you could easily run it in and out with a power electric drill. Nortrail also does all their heat ducts in the sidewall. You will see in other units that they do a bunch of heat registers that you're going to have in your floor that dog hair can get stuck down in, stuff like that. You're also going to get a better airflow with them in the sidewall going directly blown at you. This unit is 0 degree tested, so you can still technically use this coach in the winter. It does have forced heat induction, fully enclosed underbelly with a 2-inch heat duct right off your furnace. So when the furnace is running, it will heat the whole underbelly of the coach, including your tanks, your water lines, and your gate valves. They also do full LED lighting throughout the whole coach. They also place all their AC ducts straight in a line, so there's no bends or curves where you're going to lose airflow. You get the best possible ducted AC you could possibly get off the roof. It is also a walkable roof and a walkable slide out. They also do hardwood cabinetry. So you're going to get hidden hinges in all your cabinetry, a lot sturdier than those little paper thin ones that you get in other coaches. You also get a queen size RV mattress, full storage all the way around the bed. You also get 2 pocket doors, not just a curtain that separates the bedroom off from the kitchen and living room area, and also full storage underneath the bed. You've also got tinted windows, so you can't see in, but you can see out. It's also going to be cross ventilation. They do a window here and a window on the opposite side. So you're going to get the best possible airflow with both windows open from back and forth from wind coming outside. They also do 50-pound ratings in all their compartment doors. A lot of other competitors out there do 20 or 30-pound ratings on theirs. They also give you 2 queen-size bunk beds with a window in each bunk. There's also 300-pound ratings on each one of these bunks. You're also going to get the wide track suspension, which is better for turning, better stance inside the coach, better separation, so if you did have a tire blowout, it would not take your fender well out. Also, if you ran over a stick or a rock, it would get that separation between the 2 axles where it would have room to move versus going right into the side of your camper. You also get an outside shower, black tank flush, 30 amp cord, 25 feet long. Also their slide out box, they do a rock guard underneath the slide out box, so as the water hits the bottom of the slide out box, it will run off right to the ground. They also do a double ball seal, and you get a seal here on the outside of the slide out box and one inside of the slide. So as this runs in, it hits these tabs, it works as a squeegee system where it will squeegee the water right off the slide out to the ground. They also do an automotive painted front cap. It's fully fiberglass. They also give you 4 lights in the front of the unit. You get 2 here, also 1 down here for hookup, and 1 on your power jack. Thank you so much for watching this video on Heartland Nortrails. If you're looking to get a great deal on a Nortrail, come see me, Tim Bridges, at Lloyd Bridges Travelland in Chelsea, Michigan.